Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a quick flip through of the Factor Notes Cute Little Things sticker book. Just to give you a comparison, this is actually very cute and small. This is the Alicia Souza sticker book. This is how cute and small the Factor Notes sticker book is. But in terms of width, this is much more wide, so more number of pages here. So let's do a quick flip through to see what's there. So the first, I'm sorry, I've used this, the first page itself. This is more of the quotes page. Then you have more quotes. Then you have again more quotes, again more quotes. Then you have more quotes, more quote stickers. This is so pretty. They're very large stickers, so they will look really pretty if you want to use them for decoration purposes. If you have seen my last video, I have showed the big book of stickers that is very functional. I think this book is more decorative. I think this is an animal spread. Then you have these cutesy bow stickers. This are definitely functional stickers. Then you have more decorative stickers. This is functional cum decorative. But these flowers are so pretty. More decorative flowers. More flowers. Quotes cum plants. Then you have these circle stickers. I absolutely love the stickers to be put on as envelope sealers. They are so pretty. Then you have more flowers. These are names of the month. So very nice. You can use this in your journal pretty effectively. Then you have a bunch of days of the week and calendar and more days of the week, and then you have a weekend banner. Then you have an LGBTQ sort of a page, which I'm not complaining. Then there is more pride sticker pages. I think this is more of vacation or packing kind of a page. Then you have more of these quote pages, more animal spreads. This is vacation or travel themed, food themed, home themed, sad day or a bad day kind of theme. More bad day stickers, rainy day stickers, functional stickers. These are again some functional and some quote stickers. This is again quote. This is again functional but can be used for decorative purposes. This is again posted stickers. I think all my sticker books this year have had these posted pages. I have to figure out how to use them effectively, and I think that is it. This is all that you will have in this book. So this book has about 33 pages, so not bad. I think I paid about 599 rupees for this, so a really good purchase. So if you're looking out for some really cutesy stickers, mostly to decorate your planners, then this is the one to go for. I think that is it. This is all I have for today's video. Bye now.